is pretty straightforward. I usually put the bowl in first and lay into that groove right there and push it down. And I like to put this in just because it's a lot easier. I can angle it and pop it in. Well, whatever you want to call it. I take this, slide it over the tube. There's really no way you can mess this up. Fairly self-explanatory on that part. Push these down, push both ends down, then it won't go back. So you have to push them down, clear them, and slide that forward. Now I like to line it up because it's not very easy to do it otherwise. And then you just move the bolt forward, move that forward, verify that that works before you do anything else. Okay. Now these two are very easy and simple, but one has no slots or no obstructions or pins, anything like that out. So you want to put that on the side that the serial number is in the shotgun. That way you don't get mixed up. One that has a little bump or pin, you want to put that on the side of the ejection port. So it's fairly easy. And you just take your trigger housing, lock it down. I usually put it there. Pop that in. Take my pen. That's done. Now take it back to that. Cock. And do the barrel. But I kind of screwed the breech on that. No, I did. But slide barrel down. Normal way. Lock into place. It's locked. Now you take barrel cap, magazine tube cap, sorry, and I like to turn it back until I feel it engage the screws so I don't strip it. And then you just go back on. A Glock is about the same. Easier miss, which will be a future video. But this one is just for now. Now I check it. Safety on. Nothing working. It works. I cock it. Pull it back. Pull it forward. Pull it back. Try to do that, make sure this is working, which it is, and shotgun is good to go. And thank you for watching this video.